How to use VLOOKUP in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So we will be seeing a simple example of it. First of all, we need to select any particular cell where we want to use it, and then go to the formula bar over here, then type equals to and search for VLOOKUP, and this is what you get. Now we need to select the value of VLOOKUP that we want to use, and it is the pen that we want to show up over here, and then type comma, and after that we need to select from where we need to retrieve this particular value, and we need to retrieve this value from among these two columns. So just simply select it, then type comma, and it is two columns, so we will type 2. After that we need to type comma again, and this time we need to search for false, and you can search for this one and it might already appear over here like this. Now type false or select false with the exact match. Simply do this and close the brackets and type enter, and this way it will retrieve the value. Whatever value that you will put over here, no matter what, suppose it is 150, it will be changing on its own over here as well. And this is how we use VLOOKUP. This is the most simple example you can see. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.